Hello everyone, so there we are back with Audi. Like you guys saw, it made 262 horsepower, and whatever foot torque he made is all on the video. So we're going to replace the injectors, and the injectors, and here they are Siemens injectors or Continentals or whatever you guys want to call. It's a PPD engine, PPD 170 horsepower, whatever you guys want to call it. For me, just a 2-liter engine, 16 valves. So we didn't remove the battery because we're going to replace the wiring loom for the injectors as well. I haven't done all the bolts around the cover, so the cover just pulls in. You have to pull the timing belt cover to the side a bit. And what else? Yeah, I replaced the seals on the injectors. Customers provide new seals. Yeah, so let's crack on and replace these injectors. So the T30 mil around the cover. Should just slide straight out. There isn't any bolt around. This one side. Bear in mind some cables here. The cover is out. And we're gonna have to take these bolts off. I think it's a M10, you know, the ones like a starting, and there is the wiring loom. I think it's either T30 or Allen key, but T30 I think will do the job. 3 of them. Then we have a clip there holding the wire loom together. This wire loom, by the way, they go to the glow plugs as well. So I think they're quite expensive. Let's take this off. Yeah, this is out. I'll grab a pliers to pull the plugs out. It'll be easier. And you have the glow plugs, but I'll remove this first and then I'll go to the plugs. So now we can remove the plugs from the glow plugs. This injector is falling apart already. There it is. Wire loom is all off. I think you just have another clip down the side here holding together, I think. So guys, it took me a while to take the wiring loom off. So literally you just turn this and pull it off the engine. Then you have to pull this back. You just pull this in. Can I stick?
Yep.
Yeah, just go like that and turn it and we'll lock up in place. But to remove it, you just get pliers, turn this off, pull it off, and pull it to the other side of the engine. So now I need to remove the injectors. And this injector was, I think, is broken the bit on the top, because these springs already fall off. But this one is kind of skew. So you just get a tool like this and take them. There's 2 bolts on each injector. Just take them off.
Get them done. Like that.
Yeah. And the way I do to pull these injectors out, I'm going to show you. Yeah, these bolts you have to replace because they stretch bolts. I have new bolts for it already. So where's my pry bar? So I have this tool, the pry bar that moves up and down. Maybe it's a special tool to remove these injectors, but I don't have them. I'll always use this one and always work. So what I'll do, I'll just grab on the spring slowly and start to wiggle around. A bit tricky sometimes.
Yeah, most of the time.
There he is.
Oh.
See, this is a standard injector. There we go. Thank you. So I'm gonna do the other ones. I'm not gonna record because no point. You guys just see how to remove one injector. So you just have to do exactly the same thing on the other ones. This one is broken. I'm gonna have to find a way to remove it because I can't grab on the spring anymore because the spring just fall off. But when I get to this one, I'll record. So I'm gonna zoom in on this injector. Let me see if I can really focus.
I hold it if you want.
Probably, yeah, it'll be better for you to hold it. So, yeah, the spring just came off. So I'm gonna use some cable ties to try and take this off without damage anything. So my idea is put the cable ties around this. Run here and tighten it down. And with some kind of tool, just trying to pull it up. It's a little bit tight.
Did it work?
I don't know. It moved, but no, the cable tie is just gone. It's not strong enough.
Oh, yeah.
But it's loose. Let's see. No, this cable tie is gone.
Oh, right.
I'll have to replace it. I'll just replace the cable tie and I'm gonna try and pull it off again. It's coming slowly. Gonna help a bit with the pliers. Or what you need to get the guys do is just find them stronger cable tie or something stronger than the cable ties. Cable ties, zip ties, or whatever you guys wanna call it. There it is.
Hey, it's always the last one.
Yeah. So yeah, I think it's broken somewhere here, but was working. So we're gonna put injector now with new seal. Just slide the injector again. We're gonna talk to the top. So guys, on the injectors is 3 newtons plus 90 degrees and then 180 degrees again. I'll have the paper somewhere here. Where's the paper, Lewis?
You're good at losing stuff.
So 3 newtons on all of them.
Yeah. There you go.
So basically 3 newtons, 90 degrees, 180 degrees on all of them. So 90 is like that. That's 90. I'm not gonna use the gauge because there's no point. 90, everyone knows 90. Even the 108 is just a half turn. So that's done. The 90 is done. Now I need to do 180. Gonna do on the easiest way. Gonna do like that. 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. So you can use the gauge or the gouge or whatever you guys wanna name it or pronounce it.
Gauge, yeah.
But it's no point. It's just an injector. But do never over tight these bolts because they will stretch and break. In these bits on the rockers as well. Oh, you have you remove all of it?
Yes. Go
Where
on.
is it?
Over there.
They have a little bit of wear, not a lot, but the new ones definitely looks better.
Hold on. Yeah.
You can't compare one to the other one, is it?
Yeah. Okay.
So they just go in with a nut on the top, ready to go in the car.
Sabia a necessidade, que a puta de vício mais estúpido. É sério. É sério. Até me passa. Ai, o gajo quer acabar. Alguém vai cair nesta merda.
Make sure you guys release this a little bit before you tighten all the way, because you can end up damage the injector.
So, what I...
Where's the other two?
O que eu falei ficou no vídeo.
Não faz mal, agora vai ficar gravado. So now we're gonna set the injectors. You need somebody on the crank to turn in the engine until you get to the level you want. So I have somebody there, somebody underneath just turning the engine. So go ahead, Luis, turn it for me, please. You see the injector going down, and that's when you stop moving. That's where you want the engine stop. A little bit more. That's it. When the engine turning, and this goes all the way down and stops, you still turning the engine, but this one actually stop for a bit. Before it comes up again, you have to tighten this all the way through, all the way in, until it locks, until it stops. Yeah, just stop right there. Then you're gonna have to go 180 back, something around here, and just torque them down. And to make your life easier, if you go straight to the third will gonna be the next one go down, because I think go 1, 3, 4, 2. You guys will see. Just go ahead and turn, Luis. See, he's turning the engine. This one is still down and comes up now. Come on, man.
Jumped out. Hold on. I have to find the hole.
It's in the middle of the pulley.
I know. Got it?
Yeah, go ahead. You see, this one starts to go down already. Go on a bit more. On a bit more. That's it. And same thing again. All the way down, 180 back, tight the nut. See, locked. So 180 back. And just tighten the nut. If you do go forwards again, it's going to be the fourth going down. Go ahead, Luis. You see, it's already going down. A bit more. That's it. $180 back. Tighten the nut. Go ahead, Luis. Now you go coming back to the second. See the second coming down? And literally just stop there. It's alright, Luis. All the way until it stops. Yeah, has stopped. 180 back. And torque the injector, torque the nut down. So guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna finish torque this up. I'm going to start the car, do some test runs and map it. We're gonna take it to the dyno again, aiming for over 300 horsepower on this PD170. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe it. See you next time, like always. Olha quem é o gajo que partiu aquela merda do carro. Olha onde é que ele tem a mão. Já há 3 vezes que lhe mandei tirar a mão dali.
Eu não parti esta
O
merda.
gajo está sempre a pôr ali a mão, mano. Olha o gajo, olha.
Oh, Blá, não fui eu que parti isto, mano. Já estava assim. Agora já está composto. Quem é que partiu isto?